Hello, Johnny.
Hello, Joe.
Nice to be back here.
Welcome.
You can see on the table I have some news challenges. We get more and more requests from the food industry, picking up fruits, chocolate pieces, cookies, even bread. And we like vacuum, but it's kind of get difficult to pick parts like this with suction cups. We don't get the grip, or we destroy the surface. I've heard about soft grippers. Do you know anything about soft grippers? I mean, with mechanical grippers, we also tend to destroy these pneumatic mechanical grippers. Are you aware of anything?
Yeah, matter of fact, I am.
Wow.
There's a new product that came out here recently that's pretty interesting, that uses vacuum.
Do you have it?
I have it here.
Wow.
This is a complete family of different
Soft
vacuum
grippers.
actuated grippers.
Vacuum actuated?
Yes, so they use vacuum to compress the fingers, and that tends to be more gentle to the product. With compressed air driven pneumatic grippers, it's more difficult to control the force, the pinch force, when you try to
Grip
and pick up a product.
Maybe you can demonstrate for me.
Absolutely.
Okay, so before we go ahead and test those soft grippers, maybe you can test the suction cup and see the problems we get into.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, pick on some of these parts and you will see what kind of issues we get when we try to pick them.
Let's try this.
Try that chocolate ball.
And, that,
See?
and of course the cup is a little bit big as well.
And the avocado.
It actually works.
Works. But yeah, there are some marks I can see.
Yeah, it can pick it, but
Try
you get marks.
You get
for
marks, yeah. And that's, no one wants to buy tomatoes with marks on it.
No,
Try the bread.
Oh yeah.
Big
That's
marks,
that's not
big
sellable.
marks. So Johnny, can you demonstrate for me how the soft grip, vacuum-based soft grip works? Maybe you can pick on that chocolate ball.
Let's try the chocolate ball.
Wow, that's a good grip.
And you get about almost 50 kPa.
Wow.
And it's still pretty gentle.
Yeah, and the tomato. Yeah, that's good. Maybe the larger one is the best.
Yeah, I would think so. This tomato is quite
Yeah.
good. Big,
What about the bread?
And then we can use this
Two-finger.
two-finger version.
Oh, that's a super grip.
Now this sausage
Would it be
bread is-
possible to pick with two also?
Yes, and I've seen cases when they use it like this on bigger breads. Then you can control it a lot easier.
Wow,
When
that's
you-
good. What about that small
Let's
piece
try
of... that's a good grip. And I see no marks on it. Well, let's try the small chocolate balls here. I guess these one can pick, but they are a little bit big because on the packaging line they come quite
close together.
close together.
Yeah,
so
we need something smaller.
You need something
And
smaller.
this smaller one could work
Could
quite
be,
well, I think.
yeah.
And it's
That's good.
very gentle.
Yeah.
Then we have to try the big one.
Yeah.
Let's try this tomato once more.
Yeah, that's a nice
Now
grip.
it's
Yeah.
really nice.
Orange. That's
Avocado.
picking really good. Okay, Johnny, I can see that we can pick this chocolate ball, but I also saw when you were picking that it created marks on it.
Yes.
So is it any way possible to control the pinch force of the fingers?
Yes, and that's one of the unique things with this product is that because it's vacuum actuated, we can control the nozzle quite easily by feeding it with less compressed air.
Okay.
So a regulator, it's working really good for that.
So just adjusting the feed pressure into
Adjusting
the
the feed
ejector.
pressure, exactly.
Wow, that's simple.
But this one now is almost 60 kPa,
Yeah,
and that will, as you can see,
Yeah, I see it
make
create marks.
But we can turn it down a little bit.
Yeah, let's see. So now you adjusted the feed pressure.
Now I adjusted the feed pressure to a much lower level. And
Yeah,
now
and then
it picks
it
quite
picks much
easy.
more softer.
Yes.
This is one of the most challenging cookies we have ever tried to pick. Super sensitive. Can you try it with that big one maybe? Good.
That works fine.
Impressing. Okay, Johnny, so it is a closed system, which is very good for, I mean, we don't have to clean the vacuum hose or anything, so that's super. But a reflection I made was that the vacuum ejector was running all the time during the grip. If it's a closed system, wouldn't it be possible to turn off the ejector and save energy?
Absolutely.
But then you run into problem with the release, or?
Yes, but there are systems for that as well.
Okay.
And here I put together a system that this product is actually made for a completely different industry, but it demonstrates very well what you can do with an energy saving system in a closed system like this product. Since, as you say, it is a closed system, so you can turn off the vacuum
Can you demonstrate?
generation.
So now the ejector will turn off?
Yeah.
It will pick and then turn off?
Yes.
Show me. Wow. And
So
release?
now you return, releases really
Show me
fast.
more. That's fantastic.
So it turns on.
Super energy efficient.
Doesn't use any compressed air at all.
At
Not
least
even
a minimum.
a minimum to generate.
Yeah.
And also when you release it, it only uses the atmospheric
So
air.
no blow air.
No blow air at all. No compressed air at all.
Fantastic. So actually much more energy efficient than running the ejector or vacuum pump all the time with cups.
Absolutely. And then, of course, if you can control it and steer at what level you want to turn it off, then you can also be very efficient.
the
soft
sense
stuff,
stuff.
yes, very carefully.
Very good. So to conclude a bit, seems like it's important to pick the right size
Yes,
and also right type. You have the 2-finger, 3-finger, 4-finger. And then the pinch force can easily be controlled, so no damage
Yes.
on the object.
and you have to practice a little bit to find the right,
Yeah.
the right level.
And it fits very good with the food industry. It's washed down. It's
Yes.
it's a good hygiene product.
Yeah, there are multiple choices in fittings. If you don't need the washdowns, there's a big variety of different fittings.
Okay, and then I think the most impressive thing, it can be super energy efficient. Just generate vacuum to
That's one
get
of the
the grip.
beauties, I would say, because then you can control it very easily and you can actually save a lot of air.
Thank you very much, Johnny.
Thank
I
you,
will be
Björn.
back.
Yeah, absolutely. You're welcome.